Hi, I'm PJ, the inventor of Makedo. I'm excited to introduce you to the newest addition to the Makedo cardboard construction system. We call this new part the Roto-Ring, and while simple in appearance, it will surprise you with all it can do. Today, I'm proud to announce you can cut, fold, connect, and now move. With a simple method of attachment using a screwdriver and screw, movement happens. Imagine wheels, propellers, steering wheels, game spinners, animated puppets, scissoring claws or gears. The Roto-Ring can also stack into itself, so by using 2 Roto-Rings and a screw plus, you can have 2 layers of independently rotating parts. A clock is the first application that comes to mind, but imagine googly eyes, chomping jaws, articulated legs or multi-directional designs. The Roto-Ring will also nest with another to sandwich many more layers of cardboard. For those people who wanted wheels, this is how you do it. The Roto-Ring does a great job of spacing out 2 layers of cardboard to add dimension to an otherwise flat surface. It can be used with string or rope as the axle of a pulley, or with rubber bands to build out a geoboard or a door closure. It can form a guide for a cutout track, enabling cardboard layers to slide over each other. And you can combine these techniques to get some serious mechanical movement. So there you have it, the Roto-Ring. It's easy to use, works with the entire Makedo system, and lets you build creations that move. We're sure it can do more. We're just waiting for you to show us what's possible. Head to make.do to learn more about the Roto-Ring and start building today.